Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S75 and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we will navigate into our settings application. From here you want to scroll down to storage, so right over here. Tap on this drop down where it says this device and select your SD card. From here we can choose either files or free up space, which both of them will give us the same kind of option. Also, I don't have anything here, so yeah, I'm gonna select files, continue, and once it's opened, as you can see at the top, it will show you your SD card. Just gonna click on the three dots right here and then select Storage Settings, where you'll find the Format option. When pressing on it, it will give you a window letting you know that formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So obviously do so if you need to. If you don't, you can progress right away further by selecting Format SD card, which will automatically begin formatting it, and this process only takes a couple seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and that's it. The card is now formatted and ready to be used once again. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.